Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm showing you how to install an air duct on the 7th-gen Nissan Maxima. All you're gonna need is, it's held in by 3 screws. These right here. I'll leave the part numbers for them in the description below. I ordered everything in the dealership. As you can see, I got boxes there. Yeah, I ordered a ton of parts for this car. So this is the air duct, part number 16554-9N00A. And that's the air duct in here. So I'm gonna unwrap this. So you're buying a new air duct, it already comes with all these miscellaneous rubber grommets and the little metal inserts inside. So, and it also comes with a new seal, obviously, because it's new. So, and then one screw connects right here, right next to the filler neck. The other one right here, right behind the head latch. Let me zoom you out. And the other screw right here, right beside the battery. So what you do is insert it right into the air box. Make sure that the little seal goes in there securely, as so. That way it could create a proper seal. And then you push it down, as so. Go line it up. The other part is right here, so make sure the seal goes right in between here and in between here, as so. This one's not lining up. Hold on. There you go. So now that it's fully in, now we're going to insert the screws into each one. And then of course you just tighten it. I ain't gonna keep y'all just to tighten 3 screws. But that's how you properly install an air duct on the 7th-gen Nissan Maxima. So hopefully this is helpful for y'all. Some of y'all, if y'all never knew how to properly install an air duct, in case you had a car that was wrecked, totaled, or whatever. But that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.